Hey, my name is Haley Marie and welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a lace front wig that I got from Amazon. I'm very excited. It's a deep wave, let me think. Yeah, it's a deep wave 24-inch lace front from Amazon, and it was only $160, which I'm super excited about because to me that's pretty affordable for 24-inch hair, let alone 24-inch deep wave hair with a 13x6 parting. So, you know, hopefully the quality is good. I only saw two or three other videos on YouTube about this hair. So, you know, I feel like I'm kind of going into this blind, but that's okay. The wig. Okay. Wow. So on the posting on Amazon, it said it was a 150% density wig. This feels a lot. I've never gotten hair this long in my whole life. This is the longest I've ever gotten hair, but it definitely feels heavier than 150. I'm very thankful because, you know, I was thinking it was a little sparse. I got my very first human hair wig was a 130% density, and boy, let me tell you, I looked like I was balding. Like, not because there wasn't hair on the lace, but just because it was just so thin. I didn't like it. But this is beautiful. Look at that. And okay, so one of the videos that I saw was like it was more like a kinky curly hair as opposed to a deep wave. Like, this to me is like a deep wave because it's like wavy, but it's like the waves are smaller, right? The hair that I saw on one of the videos was like a kinky curly, so it was like my natural texture, and I was so hoping and praying and wishing that I didn't get that, but I didn't. And oh my god, look at this pattern. This is so cute. Okay, super excited. It does say it's pre-plucked, and it kind of is. Like, it's very small, which I'm not tripping about. Oh, actually, if you look on the inside, it's pretty, it's hard to tell on camera, but it's pre-plucked pretty well on the sides right here. Not so much in the front, but like I said, like, I don't care. But this is probably better for people who just don't want to take the time to pluck their wig, or people who are still learning. But wow, this is beautiful. This doesn't look like a 13x6 parting to me. I'm gonna look at it again when I put it on my head, but it doesn't look 13x6 right now. But on the inside, there's two combs on the side. Oof. Two combs on the side, one in the middle, and then one in the back, as well as the adjustable drawstrings. It's just your basic cap construction. I know some of them don't have the comb in the middle, but I don't think most people use them. So I'm gonna try the wig on really quick. Oof, definitely big head friendly. Like, I have a small head, and so I put the little adjustable straps on, and it's a little bit of room in here. You know what I'm saying? So here's what the hairline's looking like. See, it's kind of hard to tell, but it's a little bit pre-plucked here. It's like a little more sparse, but I'm gonna go in and do it a little more. It's a little pre-plucked in the front right here, but it's cute, but it's not enough. This is how the hair is looking right out the box, and ooh, child, this curl pattern is everything I've ever been looking for in a wig. Let's get the length here. Here's the length. It goes all the way down to my waist if it's stretched. If it's not, to the boobs. Look at this hair. Oh, this is so amazing. This curl pattern is everything. It's a little puffy, but I don't care because I could just put some curl cream on it and it'll be everything. Oh, this is just tickling my heart right now. I'm gonna take my comb and find the parting because like I said, it didn't look like, I mean, it is 13, but the 6 is missing. It looks more like a 4 to me. I don't know. It looks okay. Yeah. Maybe that's 6 inches. Can you guys see that? It looks like 6 inches, sort of. So yeah, this is pretty nice. I love the hair. I'm getting minimal shedding. Yes, shedding, but it's doable. Very small amounts. Okay. I look like a princess. I don't like the lace. It didn't say anything about HD lace, but it said it was glueless, so I assumed that the lace would be like a better color than this gray madness. Let's see how it's looking with makeup. See, it still looks gray to me. I don't like that. It still looks gray to me. I don't know. We'll see. So I'm gonna go customize the wig, pluck the hairline, cut the lace, and see what this is looking like. But honestly, like, this is definitely a look. Like, this is so cute. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how the wig is looking after I plucked it. I plucked it and then put some powder or some of my foundation on top to see what it was looking like, to see if maybe I could lighten the lace a little bit, and it didn't work out too well. I think I'm gonna use Rit dye remover or something to try to lighten the lace a little more, but this is how it's looking right now. I think it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. So I'm just gonna cut it. But yeah, this is what the hairline's looking like before I glue it down or anything. See, the lace is like super dark and I fucking hate it. But we're gonna try to make do with it. I'm gonna glue it down and then come back and show you guys what it's looking like. Like, why? Why is the lace so dark? It's fucking, why? For who? For whom is this lace for? Like, it's just tremendously dark. It's like black. The lace is fucking black. Do you see that? Black. I can't.
So this is how my hair turned out after the first round of Rit dye. It's a little gray still, but I think it looks pretty good. It looks pretty decent. So this is what the hair looks like after I've pretty much finished it. I just sprayed it down with some water, brushed it with my Denman brush, and this is how she's looking. This hair is not beginner friendly, you guys. Like, it is so pretty, but it took so much time and effort to get it just to fit on my head. Like, the curls are phenomenal. They're just, it's everything I've ever wanted in a wig because the curl pattern is just amazing. But I plucked the hairline. I removed the color from the hairline. I added an elastic band. I adjusted the combs and I adjusted the adjustable straps that it came with. All in all, honestly, for the price, it's not that horrible because like people will pay $250 for this wig to make sure it's ready to wear right out of the box. I am not people. I would rather do the work. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna buy another one. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I'll probably just keep it black since at this point I've already colored this one, which I will also show you guys in a future video. So all in all, this hair is lit as shit. It is so beautiful. You know, let me know what you guys think. Is it too much? Is the hairline still a little wonky? I mean, yeah, of course it is, but like it was so cheap. It was awesome. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in a future video about this exact same hair. This hair is fucking beautiful. I love it. I've worn it every day for like 4 months, you guys. You're gonna be astounded as to how great this hair looks. Like, just go get it right now. Don't even wait till the next video. Just go get it today.